There is nothing quite as annoying as setting your cruise control for a long highway drive, only to have it refuse to engage or suddenly cut out on you. If you are dealing with a P056B trouble code, the issue is specifically with your cruise control decreased distance signal. This applies mostly to vehicles with adaptive cruise control, the kind that automatically slows down when you get too close to the car in front of you. Basically, the button or switch that tells the car to back off and increase the gap is sending a signal that the computer does not understand. It might be sending a continuous signal like it is stuck, or no signal at all when pressed. The severity here is pretty low. Your car is safe to drive, you just have to control the gas and brake pedals yourself like in the old days. But why does this happen? Honestly, the most common culprit is something we are all guilty of, which is eating or drinking in the car. If you have ever spilled a little soda or coffee on your steering wheel buttons, that sticky residue can gum up the contacts inside the switch. Dust and debris can do the same thing over time. Another common cause is the clock spring, which is a ribbon of wires inside the steering wheel that connects your buttons to the car while allowing the wheel to turn. If that wire frays, the signal gets lost. To troubleshoot this, start with the easy stuff. Press the decrease distance button a few times. Does it feel sticky? Does it not click like the others? You might be able to clean it with a little electrical contact cleaner. If the buttons feel fine, check your fuses. If you have to dig deeper into the wiring or the clock spring, be very careful, because you are working right next to the airbag. If you are not comfortable messing with the airbag system, this is one repair where it might be worth letting a pro handle the final steps. But definitely check those sticky buttons first.